Hi, Vincent Chacon Cabinet Makers. Today I have a dull radius bowl scraper and I'm going to show you how to sharpen it. When sharpening a radius scraper, we work with the Tormek sharpening system. I like to use the plate in a vertical pattern. I find it's easier to swing something with a long handle on it. It's a little bit more aggressive in cutting, but that's less time you're spending sitting here versus turning. So I get the angle of the plate to the stone to match the angle that was on the original blade. I then mark the back with a black Sharpie. I do this so you can see where you're cutting and if you need to make adjustments to your plate. Make sure you have enough water in your Tormek. Turn her on. I'll touch the back of the radius scraper onto the flat. Make sure that we clean the burr off. And then I will put it on the machine and work it back and forth once or twice to make sure we're taking the black off in the proper angle. If not, make adjustments to this so it's cleaning the black off from both edges of the scraper. I'll do this until all the black is gone, making sure that you have an even sharpening cut across the length of the blade. After we're done grinding vertically, I'll move the plate to the strop wheel. I will adjust the angle of the plate to the strop wheel so it matches what we were cutting vertically. I will then add a little water to the strop wheel. I will add the compound as necessary. I'll make sure that both sides of the radius bowl scraper are cleaned off from water, otherwise the Sharpie won't stick. I will add that to the back, and then I will start balancing this back and forth to make sure that my angle is correct. When I'm positive that my angle is correct, I will take the burr off the back of the radius bowl scraper, freehand, and then I will come back and work the profile. I'll do this until it's honed to my liking. And we're good. Again, my name is Vincent Chacon, and I'm with Chacon Cabinet Makers. Thanks for watching my video. That's how we sharpen a bowl scraper.